And you thought we were done with this question. I thank you guys for tuning into this video. We are going to be doing 7.2. We already differentiated this 7.1 from first principles in the playlist where I am solving the first derivative using first principles. So this was a cool 6 marks. Right, so now we are doing 7.2.1. Okay, so if you want to watch this video on differentiating from first principles, just click under my profile. You'll find a playlist that is focusing on differentiating from first principles when you are given functions. When you're given fractions. I also did problems on that so that you guys will be sorted for the exam. So here, guys, we are being asked to differentiate. Okay, I'm sure you guys know that dx, this dx here, it just means differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate or derive, it's the same thing. So it means that differentiate with respect to x. So whatever it is that you're doing, you need to be focusing on x. So what you do when you're given this, the first step that you do is you remove the brackets. So I'm going to rewrite it. Right, so we have dx, right, and we just have a bracket here, x plus 1, and then we have 3x minus 7, right, 3x minus 7, and then we have that big bracket. Okay, this here doesn't matter, right, it doesn't matter, they're just saying differentiate with respect to x. So we are going to apply what is known as the FOIL method to remove the brackets. So let's do it. Or what you can do is just pause the video and see if you can get the answer, right? Pause the video and then see if you can get the answer, and then just continue to follow. Okay, so what you will do now from here to calculate this, you're just going to differentiate basically. So sorry, you're going to remove the bracket. So here it will be 3x to the 3x squared, right? And then you have minus 7x, and you have plus 3x minus 7. Isn't that right? Minus 7. And yeah, you can simplify if you want. So you say 3x here, like 3x squared minus 4x minus 7. Okay, story time. Okay, so you see 7 is a constant number. It doesn't have x on it. So if the derivative of a constant, in other words, the derivative of 0, of 2, of 3, of 7, any derivative, the derivative of a number, a whole number without any variable to it, it is going to be 0. So this 7 goes and becomes 0. I'm forgetting what it is called. It's a rule, but I'm forgetting what it is called. Basically, you're applying the power rule, yeah. Okay, so what we will have now is, okay, this is not there, the x is not there, so we apply the power rule and then we differentiate. Here we have a 7. Okay, there we're just going to apply the power rule. Remember the power rule, it says you multiply the exponent, you multiply the coefficient with the exponent and subtract 1 from the exponent, right? You do that and you subtract 1 from the exponent, and then you apply that as well. So cool. I'm sure you guys already know that. That's why it's 2 marks. That's why it's 2 marks. With practice, you won't need to do all this. You just go straight away and say 6x to the power of 1 minus 4. Voila. That's your answer. That is your answer, guys. Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next video for 7.2.2. I'm trying to keep the videos short so that you guys can click on the videos. I notice that people don't like clicking on long videos. Alright, cool.